How do obscure easements impact property titles? Imagine buying a beautiful piece of land only to find out later that someone else has a hidden right to use part of it. That surprise can cause big problems with your property title. Easements are legal rights that let someone else use your land for a specific purpose. They can be for things like access roads, utility lines, or even views. When easements are clear and properly recorded, they usually don't cause issues. But when easements are obscure, hidden, or not well documented, they can create confusion and legal headaches. Obscure easements might not be listed in the property records or might be implied rather than written down. This means a buyer or owner might not know they exist until a dispute arises. For example, a neighbor might have been using a path across your land for years without formal permission. Over time, this use might become an implied easement, which can be hard to detect during a title search. These types of easements can limit how you use or develop your property without your knowledge. Another problem is that unclear easements can lead to legal disputes. If a property owner wants to build or make changes, they might find out an easement restricts their plans. This can delay sales or cause negotiations that cost time and money. Sometimes, easements can be created through long-term use, called prescriptive easements, even if no formal agreement exists. These are especially tricky because they are not always recorded and can surprise new owners. When buying or selling property, it's important to check the title carefully. A thorough search should reveal any easements recorded in land registry offices. Request all easement documents and agreements to understand what rights others might have. Consulting with a real estate attorney helps interpret these easements and their impact on your property use. It's wise to insist on clear, written easements that are officially recorded. Title insurance can also protect you from hidden easements that might not be obvious during a search. If you're selling, disclose all known easements to avoid future legal claims. Proper documentation and transparency make sure easements don't turn into unexpected legal problems. Understanding and properly recording easements helps maintain your property's value and keeps your ownership free of surprises.